ready to race number 2 here. Santa Ana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. Set to go now, race number 2. 1,000 meters is the distance. Anytime now, race number 2. The favorite, Hockey Hawk. Gate starter still away from the bottom. Gate starter moving forward, and the race is on. Erica Champ from the outside, moving up by the rallies. Bondi Junction, I'm your boy cheerleader, new chapter. Racing on the outside is Onion Smart and Nabol Ninjitsu, Hockey Hawk, Young Luke. Entry number 9, Panama Princess, and Magnificent Yoki. And at the far turn, it's now cheerleader Bondi Junction fighting for the lead. Bondi Junction pokes his nose on the outside. It's cheerleader Bondi Junction. Erica's Champ, new chapter. I'm your boy as they race the final corner. Cheerleader by Anek, Bondi Junction, Erica's Champ is running by Darrell, and on the outside is I'm your boy by Darrell. On your knees, new chapter, Hockey Hawk, but Cheerleader by Anek up. Erica's Champ down on the inside. Cheerleader still the leader, and hitting the finish line. Cheerleader, I'm your boy, Erica's Champ, Smart and Nabol. Close, Hockey Hawk, new chapter on your knees.